In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by locating Gallery app and clicking on it. Then select Pictures or Albums and find all of your photos you wish to delete. Hold one of them. Use those type of dots at the top left corners to select multiple right away and click on the ones you wish to leave. To delete all the other ones, use pin icon at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!